Okay, so we're gonna go over stretching out kind of the tops of our wrist here and our forearm through here. So if you do a lot of typing, play a lot of tennis, even golf sometimes actually can kind of aggravate this area too. So just any of those racket sports or anything that you're having to use your forearm more, typing is kind of more of that repetitive strain here. So it's just an area that does get tight and can be a little tricky to stretch. So one stretch I really like is, I'll show you a couple ways. So one, you can kind of have your fingers pointing away and you're going to slightly come down. What I don't want you to do is put all your body weight onto it because it really won't feel comfortable. So coming through here, rocking back and forth. So you get a nice stretch through the top of the wrist. You might get a little through here. Rocking back and forth. The other way you can do this is actually having your wrists here. So facing inside your fingertips together, and you can kind of rock side to side, get into a little bit like you want to make it fancy, get into a little figure 8 position, moving different directions, but as long as you're rocking side to side and whatever feels comfortable. Again, you're not putting all your body weight into it because that's just really an awkward position for your wrist, but this is a nice way to stretch out the top of your wrist in through here and rocking it back and forth just to kind of not spending too much time on either side where it starts to feel almost like uncomfortable. Again, this is to stretch out the top of the wrist and the extensor muscles of your forearm. So give that a shot. I don't like holding it for an extended period of time because this position is not really natural for our bodies to be in, and it's not the most stable for our wrist. So I rather kind of do more stretching for it. So I like doing this about like 2-second hold at most because you're just rocking in and out of it. You're not hanging out too long. And I would do this about 6 to 8 times if you're doing it in a row. But if you're on a quick, I just need a quick stretch in between work, you can do this around 4 to 5 times too, just to kind of get some movement to the wrist and get things moving there. Try it out.